In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix OBS virtual camera not showing up. If your OBS virtual camera isn't showing up in apps like Zoom, Discord, or Teams, here's a full list of fixes you can try step by step to fix it. Our first solution is make sure your OBS virtual camera is running. So go to your OBS studio and under control section here you'll find start virtual camera option. So make sure to enable the virtual camera and then go back to your app and select settings, select video settings, click on camera, and now select OBS virtual camera from this list. And our second solution is we have to completely close the target app. So just close the target app, click on this arrow, right click on the app, click on quiet or exit, and then go ahead and relaunch the target app on your PC. And then go to settings, select video settings, go to video section, click on this camera drop down and select OBS virtual camera. And make sure to enable this option, always preview video. And here you can see my OBS virtual camera is now showing on my target app. And our third solution is make sure to select the correct camera in your target app. So go to your target app and go to settings, scroll down and find out the video and voice settings, click on that, select video, click on the camera drop down, and camera you have to select OBS virtual camera. So make sure to select the virtual camera and then go ahead and check the issue. And this is how we can actually fix OBS virtual camera not showing problem.